antioxidants in nature have a benefit in certain types of diseases. And I think there's pretty good evidence that nature's pearl muscadine has as high a level of antioxidants, or maybe greater antioxidant levels, than many of the other natural compounds, such as cranberries or pomegranates or blueberries. A lot of the other fruits that have been shown to have antioxidant value.
The thing that's really neat about fresh fruits and vegetables, and particularly grapes, they have a lot of very natural but powerful compounds. And interestingly, the body can tell the difference between a natural compound and one that's been extracted. And actually, there are components in these foods that allow the absorption of these very powerful chemicals, such as fiber. Fiber helps support the absorption of vitamin C and some of the nutrients that we get. So when you start extracting things and putting them into less natural forms, you don't absorb them as well, yet they're way more expensive and probably not as helpful.
In this world that we live in today, where we have so many toxins, so many negative influences in our meals, in our eating, in our atmosphere, things around us, in our homes, in our work environments, our environment in general. Antioxidants are very, very important. Anti-inflammatories are important too, but antioxidants are a must. I recommend that we take antioxidants as well as other supplements on a daily basis.